Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to master the most important lesson of English language, subject-verb agreement. Each of the boys is clever, not are clever. Politics is the business of his life, not politics are the business of his life. Confused? Don't be confused because I'm going to clear all your doubts that you may have in the past regarding subject-verb agreement. Most of the students often make mistakes of choosing the correct form of verb that agrees with the subject. Be with your pen and paper. Stick to the end of this lesson. I assure you from today onwards you will make least mistakes. First, we will learn the meaning of subject-verb agreement. Then, how to put correct form of verb in a sentence using some subject-verb agreement rules. And in the end, quiz section where I'm going to give you some questions and you have to answer them correctly. Now, let's begin with the meaning. Subject-verb agreement, also known as subject-verb concord, and it means the subject and the verb of a given sentence agrees in number and person with each other. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Let's quickly look at the general rules of Be-verbs, Have-verbs and Other-verbs. Be-verbs. In the first person singular, we use am and are with the first person plural. You all know you can be used as both singular and plural. The verb used is always plural. In the third person singular subjects like he, she, it, we use singular verb. And with plural, we use plural verb. Have-verbs. Except the third person singular subjects, we use have with the rest four subjects, whether they are singular or plural. Other verbs. Like have verbs, here also in the third person singular subjects, we use singular verbs, talks, and in the rest four subjects, we use the plural form of the verb, talk. Now, let's study the 10 most important subject-verb agreement rules. First rule. An uncountable noun, though plural in sense, takes a verb in singular form. Remember that. Her hair has a lovely gloss. The data is accurate. Research has shown women live longer than men. Sand is insoluble in water. The uncountable nouns hair, data, research and sand take singular verbs like has and is. Second rule. Two or more singular subjects connected by and use a plural verb. Ahana and Divya are two sisters. Two nouns connected by and we use the plural verb are. Have a look at some more examples. My friend and his father are in town. London and Paris are major European cities. Imran and Mariam are in love. Third rule. Two or more singular subjects connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor take a singular verb. My brother or my sister is arriving today. Either Summer or Meera knows the truth. Neither the red one nor the green one is available in size 5, not are. Here add one more thing. If the subjects joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor are of different persons, the verb agrees with the noun or pronoun closed to it. Neither you nor she is to blame. Here the verb used is singular because the nearest pronoun is singular. Either Karim or his friends know the truth. Plural verb is used because the subject close to it is plural. Fourth rule. Singular verbs are used after indefinite pronouns like each, every, any, everyone, anything, nothing, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, either, neither, and many more. Nobody knows Sanjay Kapoor. Someone has been tampering with the lock. Each tree is at risk of getting cut down. Everyone was upset with the news. Nothing happens in this place. Fifth rule. Some nouns like news, politics, mathematics, physics, economics, civics, wages, etc. are plural in form but singular in meaning. Takes a singular verb. Remember that. Mathematics is connected with astronomy. Bad news travels fast. Economics is human action, a reality which no one can escape. The news was announced as official. Sixth rule. Collective nouns take a singular verb when they are thought of as a whole and take a plural verb when the individuals are separately thought of. For example, the army protects our country and keeps us safe. Here we use the singular verb because the collective noun army thought of as a whole. One more example. 100 rupees is enough for me. 100 rupees as a whole. But in the next example, the audience are requested to take their seats. Here, the subject audience act as individuals. We use the plural verb. Similarly, another one, the team are arguing among themselves. Seventh rule. Some nouns which are singular in form but plural in meaning take a plural verb. Police, people, staff, dozen, cattle, and many more. The police have the right to arrest citizens for breaking laws. People are still looking for the quick fix. A dozen were sent for, only 10 were received. Eighth rule. Some nouns are always plural and they take a plural form of the verb, like clothes, goods, congratulations, earnings, savings, premises, particulars, stairs, etc. Look at some examples. My belongings have been destroyed. His clothes were covered with dust. Her savings are invested with a building society. The stairs are decorated in golds and earthy browns. The plural verbs have, were, and are used with the ever plural nouns belongings, clothes, savings, and stairs. Ninth rule. When a plural noun is placed after a singular subject with the help of, the verb must be singular, like one of, each of, either of, neither of. Take a verb in singular form. Remember that. Like in the example that I have given in the beginning of this session, each of the boys is clever, not are clever. Note down the rule. Neither of the books was interesting. After each of and neither of, the nouns are plural, but the verbs we use are singular. 10th and the last rule. When a sentence starts with here or there, then the verb agrees with the subject that follows it. Means, if the subject after the verb is plural, then the verb is plural. If it is singular, then the verb is singular. Like, here is your book. Book, singular subject. So, we use the singular form of the be-verb. There is a cat under the table. The singular subject, a cat, follows the singular verb is. There are many rats on the ship. Many rats, plural. The verb used is also plural. Okay, I hope you have fully understood these 10 rules. Now let me take you quickly to the quiz section where I'm gonna give you some questions and you have to choose the correct form of the verb. So here is the first one for you. My earnings are just above the tax threshold. Next one. Water flows through the street. Third one. The cattle are on the grassland. Fourth one. No one has a greater collection of coins than my friend Kalpana. Fifth and the last one. There are more foolish buyers than foolish sellers. So that's it for today. I hope you got a lot of information from today's lesson. If you want to learn more grammar lessons, visit my YouTube channel, click on the videos and learn any particular lesson that you want. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. See you soon in my next lesson. Till then, do take care, stay safe.